Sanbonani football lovers, welcome to Sportibong Zikamalambongi Nkosi. Please help me grow this channel by liking on the video and subscribing to the channel. Danko, I hope in aphile makhaya and indaba la. Kaizer Chiefs, they've held a training session on Monday and there were absentees there. I don't know what might be the reason for them to be absent, but there were also old faces that resurfaced at Naturena, especially in that training session that was on Monday. So these absentees I'm talking about, Elias Mzoki and Umachi Safi, strength and conditioning coach and the goalkeeper coach. So I don't know, maybe it was an issue nabo they were part of that group that had a diarrhea, or it is because maybe they are leaving Kaizer Chiefs. Because remember when Nasreddin Nabi announced his departure from Kaizer Chiefs, he mentioned these two, and obviously, which means those are the ones that were loyal to him. But now, since Vele, not so long ago, it was announced that Coach Nabi is rumored that he will take that young Africans head coaching job. So simply means is he taking these two along with him? Or maybe it was a matter that they had personal issues that they have to deal with, because now it cannot be a coincidence, but it's a matter of Kaizer Chiefs maybe feel like, no, if you feel like going, won't stand in your way, just go. We'll try your replacement, because remember before Afigu Nabi netimba lake, goalkeeper coach was Aubrey Matibe and strength and conditioning coach was Umuzi Maluleka. So they were the ones that held the training session on Monday, because mawubuke video lapha na Kaizer Chiefs, you can see them in charge of the training sessions. Matibe for the goalkeepers, whereby we saw he was training the likes of Abu Naptali Mukwena, the DTC goalkeeper, and Umuzi was trying to shape the gents after coming from a DRC, a Lubumbashi, playing against AS Simba. So ayangazi ukuthi, can I say this ngendlela respectful, ngendlela engeke iyenze Umuzi abukeke kabi? But I don't know, maybe he have been there for a long time than we think, because I only saw in that feed. But hey, Kaizer Chiefs announced that there are 10 players that are injured. And we know ukuthi asasikhathi asise strength and conditioning coach yethu bekwenzakalane Naturena, because besihlezi sibulawa ama injuries. Now kunamanje amanye azivelela singazi ukuthi kanjani, because these players haven't played, most of them, but they were injured. But we don't know, because angeke kube ukuqondana kwezinto. Because we know very well ukuthi since the arrival of Mzoki and Umachi Safi, we have seen a lot of improvement, especially from the goalkeepers to the players, because in the previous seasons you could see the players are finding it difficult, because they always get injured now and then. Even their shape in their bodies, you can see they are becoming buff now, instead of being in a condition whereby it will favor them, because they are soccer players, so they don't need babe with so much weight so that it becomes difficult for them in order to control imizimba. But now we saw uzibambiza qina lapho Umuzi Maluleka. So I don't know how will the players respond to that, because they are used to trainiswa Umachi Safi, because I think indlela abatraina ngayo, it does align with their bodies, because we could see even from Mr. Mina they don't easily get tired compared to the previous seasons, because now their bodies, they have adjusted to how they are being conditioned, because besibona ukuthi they are being trained ngendlela eseqopheleni eliphezulu. But now kubo goalkeeper coaches, obviously goalkeeper coaches Aubrey Matibe akukho kube ngakhuluma ngaye, because I haven't seen Ogub even when he was goalkeeper coach of Kaizer Chiefs. It's just with the goalkeepers bona ngokwabo bebazenzele wabo ama mistakes, because yiyo into bebayenza ukuthi even fans to call out for their heads ukuthi no, we want a new goalkeeper because we see ukuthi the ones that we have are not taking us seriously. But now we can see ukuthi izinto ngathi zihamba ngolayini kuyaqonda. So it's all about ukuthi now we have to understand ukuthi maybe there was something personal they had to deal with these two coaches, or maybe basendleleni ehambayo, because if that's the case, it'd be a huge blow and it's another setback, and we cannot afford that at the moment, because we see we need all hands on deck, because we don't need any disruptions after the departure of Nabi, and then now ngaba these two coaches, the strength and conditioning and also a goalkeeper coach. But I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalana. I hope ukuthi this thing get cleared ukuthi okay, maybe there was something that they had to deal with, maybe bayagula or kwenzakalana, because as you can see nani ukuthi naba basayibambile abantu. But it's not a bad thing, but it's all about ukuthi now Kaizer Chiefs have to find a way with, if it happens, but deal now in such a way that you don't have a psychological effect on the players. And then let's go to the next topic and the last one. I think I'm going to talk about Luke Bartman. We all know that Luke Bartman is a versatile player, can play as a striker, a right winger, and also an attacking midfield. As the statement was issued by coach Cedric Gaza, he won't be available for today's game versus Iswalel FC because they are trying to integrate him and see which position will suit him best, because they see him as a player that has a lot of potential, and also he is a versatile player. Simply means it is not easy for them for now to pick he can play best at this position, because they are trying to assess him and see okay bangamsebenzisa ngayiphi indlela. So as you know ngishilo he won't be available, so kusho kona ke i-debut yakhe won't be today, maybe on another day. So it simply means manje we have to understand even the coaches, when we see them selecting a particular group of players for a certain match day, it simply means according to how they assessed them in training, they responded to how they wanted, because we can see we are complaining about we want to see new players, but if these new players are not ready yet, they cannot force them to play, because they need to reach a certain fitness level so that they can be able to play, because they don't want to risk those players not to performing, those players being overwhelmed, and those players getting unnecessary injuries. So that's why at some point we have to understand we don't spend a lot of time with these players. The coaches knows what's best for these players. So if you don't see your favorite player in the match day squad, just know he didn't give what they wanted in training. So this is it for today.